Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Virgo at sign, and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So this is for the month of June. So this is monthly reading. So let's see your recent past, Virgo. Your recent past. So let's see your recent past. Two of Wands, Knight of Swords, Ace of Cups. Definitely your person want to come towards you. He is in very rush. Definitely he is thinking about you a lot. He has a love for you, definitely, or you have love for them, definitely. Ace of Cups. I think you could be thinking a lot about your person, definitely. For you are waiting for your person, definitely your person already came in past, or they are about to come in your life. Your person is about to come, definitely. So there is no negative. So let's see what is going in your connection right now. I think it is long distance relationship, it could be. So what? Six of Swords. Yes, I already told you, long distance relationship. 10 of Cups. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Whew. Okay, I am taking Hierophant. Yes, definitely your person want to marry you. Definitely a stable communication and a stable commitment is coming in your way, definitely, because the Hierophant and 10 of Cups, definitely marriage proposal. So those who are in love, those who are in relationship, definitely your person want to marry you, your person want to commit to you, definitely a stable commitment is coming to your way, definitely. So 6 of Swords. Yes, moving to calm water. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. Let's go. It is very positive reading. 3 of Wands, definitely long distance relationship. Okay, Queen of Wands. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, or you could be 8 of Pentacles. Definitely there is waiting and long distance relationship, and there is lot of passion is there between both of you, because Queen of Wands is here. I think lady in this in this connection stand by her power, definitely lot of passion. And 8 of Pentacles, definitely your person want to work on this relationship very seriously. It is slow but very stable, definitely. I told you already, there is commitment coming, strong commitment and marriage proposal, stable commitment is coming in your way, Virgo. So definitely, so let's see some cards from universe for final message. Final message from universe. Queen of Swords. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius also. King of Wands and Queen of Wands. Yes, you both could be passionate couple. There is lot of passion. You person could be Sagittarius, or you could be, wow, Knight of Pentacles. Your person may be abundant, rich, definitely self independent, definitely in financial ways I am seeing, and definitely patience and balance is needed, definitely. And Queen of Swords, communication is coming. Your person will communicate you, and lot of passion, definitely I am seeing. Your person right now may be in past busy in their finance and career ways, but in June definitely they will offer stable commitment to you, definitely. Lot of you getting, lot of will get commitment, stable offer, and definitely marriage proposals. So this is the reading for you, Virgo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.